What the chefs, what the pre-walk one people. Me there. Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Remo Jed. And today I'll be making some turned cornmeal. So let's get to it. As you can see, I got some bacon and sweet pepper. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Now I'm gonna add my coconut cream. I'm gonna let this boil for a few minutes. That is it. Some nice turned cornmeal with some nice brown stew fish. Until next time, subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified when I post another video. And most definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Until next time, I'm out.